Now it is Latin America's turn to face the pain of the COVID-19 storm that spread west across the globe. In Brazil, the health service is ill-prepared. In truth, it's already overwhelmed. They know this. They can't fight this virus. They're digging thousands upon thousands of graves in the city of Sao Paulo. More than 13,000 are planned. Medical workers haven't given up hope, but there is no battle, no real war here. They're facing defeat. In full hazmat gear, the grave diggers and burial teams struggle over the freshly dug earth. Grieving family members follow behind. This is the funeral of Jose de Oliveira. He was 52 years old. He died after a few hours in hospital. The authorities say it was COVID. His son Felipe insists it wasn't. There is a stigma to this disease, and there's no testing anyway. Every family is allowed 5 minutes at the graveside. Every 5 minutes, there is another burial. The graves are separate, but the dead are covered over en masse. To all intents and purposes, this is a mass grave. Across the world, the phenomenon of this virus is always the same. Everyone dies alone. Marceline da Silva saw her brother enter hospital. That was the last time.
É que ele sofreu muito, então eu só tenho coisa que eu fico só pensando no sofrimento dele. E agora não pode nem ser velado, não pode nada.
Fica uma coisa um pouco sem desfecho, né?
Então, a última vez que eu vi ele foi na hora que ele entrou para dentro da UTI e não voltou mais. Ali eu não vi mais ele. É só isso.
They've been digging graves here non-stop for the past 2 weeks. They're doing about 800 a day. The workers thought they'd have been done by now, but they've been told to keep going.
Eu tô abrindo essas covas, tomara que não use todas essas covas que a gente tá abrindo, né? É isso que eu peço para Deus todo dia.
Brazil's President Jair Bolsonaro is still dismissing this pandemic as a light flu. He's wrong, of course, but it's irrelevant what he thinks anyway. They're dying here in huge numbers, and it's nowhere near the peak. More countries in Latin America are going the same way. Stuart Ramsay, Sky News.